What up? Got my '07 Yukon Denali. About to change all the fluids. 330,000 miles. Let's do it. Let's change out that oil. Let's change out that transmission fluid. Let's change out that transfer case fluid. Last but not least, that rear differential fluid. Cleanest 330,000 mile engine bay you'll ever see. Let's get it. Got your 13, your 18. Make sure you get this one off first. And take your 13. All that build up. A 15 mil. I already made a video how to do this, but you know what it is. I'll show you how to do it again. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Next is to take out that oil filter, and after that, onto the transfer case. Let this baby drain. And I'll see you in the middle. Onto the transfer case. Make sure you loosen that first. Make sure. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. I got this fluid pumper. I want to show y'all how easy it is versus manually pumping, you know what I'm saying? This is it right here, the oil pump extractor, brand new. You see the little arrows? So I'm gonna pump the new fluid in from this side into the transfer case on this side. Let's get it. All right, so fluid extractor, how it works. See how it's going through that bottom right there? That's gonna pump it out of that. And then we're gonna be pumping it back in, put it in that hole. And we're gonna pump until it starts coming out that hole again. All right, let's turn her on. Did some modifications, and I made my own custom drain plug so I get a little bit of the fluid out. You know what I'm saying? So that way a little bit come out. I think I got this plug from I forgot, but just Google drain plug and then just go from there. But I'm gonna let this drip out. That should be red. I'm gonna let it do its thing, and I'll get back to you. Let's get to that rear diff. You see it? 330,000 mile oil change. What color you think that is? Last but not least, let's see if I put enough tranny fluid in. Yeah, I don't see none. I need some more. I need like one more quart. I ain't seen nothing. Let's do it. Then hit the AutoZone.